Good morning, children. Today we continue this lesson important entrepreneurship. So today we learn regarding importance of the entrepreneurship. So why entrepreneur is important in the society? Why entrepreneur is important to the market? First, you see, he occupies a central position of the market. So entrepreneur produces a variety of goods which is very essential for day-to-day life. So we are using manufactured goods every day. See, it is entrepreneur is called a spark plug. Spark plug is very important for the engine to run the vehicle. So like that, day-to-day life, if the life is going very smoothly, so entrepreneur is very important. Because of that, we have to encourage entrepreneur and we have to reward them. Because every day the new things comes to the market because of the entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs are creativity person, dynamic person, and always they go for searching a new things to the market. Next, entrepreneur is called as a self-employed. They are not depending upon any kind of government. So they are fully self-employment. Self-employment is a backbone of the nation. It's a backbone of the country. Nearly 70% of people are depending upon self-employment. See, some of the self-employment you can see that tea shop, popcorn, groceries, or scrapers, footpath workers, or any kind of individual person where they work. So those all are called self-employment. Nearly 70% of people are under self-employment. Next, in the self-employment, we can see the micro self-employment, small self-employment, and medium. So, like that, if you divide into three, there are three types of self-employment. One is a micro, second one is a small one, third one is a medium. Next, what are the other important self-employment? If the people completing their education or if they completed second PhD or a degree, if they come forward to do any kind of business, there is more opportunities in the self-employment. So some of them mentioned here. One is a advertising company or advertising agencies. So in that also thousands of the people are working. Second one is marketing. In the marketing field also there are plenty of people depend on this market. Next, any kind of consultancy. Next, giving a lease or a rent for any kind of goods. Even you see, any kind of vessels they are giving a lease or a rent, and for the construction purpose, the sheets or a variety of things you can lease or you can rent with the consultancy building workers. Next, photography, photo studio you can keep it, that's also self-employment. Next, research. Research centers, those are also called as a self-employment. Next, testing labs. Many people after completing their course, so they can go for keeping their own lab. Next, variety of people depending on the cyber cafes. Next, TV repair work or any kind of beautician. So these all are called a self-employment. So many people are going towards a government job. So everybody cannot get a government job. Some people can get, then 70% of the people depending upon this self-employment. Self-employment is also very good because they are not depending upon any higher officers or any person. So here with our own risk, with our own opinion, own decision, own marketing, everything is dependent upon a person. Next, if you want to open this self-employment, who will give a finance? So there are a variety of finance institutions come forward to give a loan for this self-employment. Even central government and state government will provide a loan facility. So industrial development bank will give a loan, commercial bank will give a loan. So variety of banks provide a loan facility for this finance, for this self-employment. Next, you can see some profiles who come forward in the self-employment. Lakhs to the people. Even if you see Bangalore, if you go to only Bangalore city, nearly 3,000 interpreted. That means companies are there. 3,000 companies that are established are become interpreted. And each company has a plenty of the lakhs together, thousands together, employment they are providing for the people. So like that, these all are is a center of the nation because they are working together. They providing a facility for the people, those who are living and surrounding by this. Now we will see some profiles. First one is a Dr. Pratap Reddy. So even today also all over India, people remember this Pratap Reddy because they started the Apollo hospitals. If you go to any kind of capital city, state capital cities with important cities, you can have these Apollo hospitals. So 1974, so Pratap Reddy, so he started a Apollo hospital. Today, the 750 the big hospitals are located in all over India. And why? Who is inspired for this fellow? So once there was a patient who wanted to take a taxes to America for the bypass surgery, but he is not able to go to this America for the bypass surgery. On that day, he decided, I want to do something for the Indian people. So that situation made this Pratap Reddy. That situation inspired this Pratap Reddy to establish a hospital. So his dream come true. Pratap Reddy established a hospitals and he succeeded. Today and all over Taluk headquarters, district headquarters, there are Apollo pharmacies. They are giving a little less price also. Second one, Naresh Goyal. Naresh Goyal is also a very important person because today the people, those who travel domestic goods from one country to other country, people remember this Naresh Goyal because he started a Jet Airways. So today in India, the largest domestic aeroplanes are moving from one country to other country. That is Naresh Goyal Jet Airways. So 1974. So first he was a sales and marketing. He was doing in a Air Force. So there he got some experience. Then afterwards he thought himself, why can't I started this Jet Airways? Then he decided and he started Jet Airways for carrying a goods from one country to other country. That is called a domestic purpose. Next, third one is Narayan Murthy. So Karnataka people remember this fellow because he has done a great work for this hard work, honesty. Because of his honesty, he succeeded in his life. So Narayan Murthy established Infosys Technology in 1999. He started first Indian independent company. Then afterwards it spread all over the world. In 2017, 2 lakhs people employed in this Infosys company. Even today also, all over the world, many countries, this Narayan Murthy established the Infosys company. Even 2017, 2 lakhs people they are working and the turnover is 10 billions. 10 billions turnover takes place in all over the world. So next one is another important person, Varghese Kurai. So Varghese Kurai, he is called a father of white revolution. Why is called a father of white revolution? In the Gujarat, there is a lakhs together, millions of liters milk was collected, and in that they established a milk dairy. So that in that milk dairy they are producing milk products, all the Amul products. what are the Amul products they're producing, that all comes under that Kurain, Varghese Kurain. So next to Dhirubhai Ambani. So Dhirubhai Ambani is a small story. So Dhirubhai Ambani's father is called a teacher. So Dhirulal Bhimchand Ambani is a school teacher. So they were in a very poor condition. So in Saturday and Sunday, his father used to sell a Bhagavad small books for the pilgrimage centers. So when he was selling Saturday and Sunday, in that he earned a little money. So his Dhirubhai Ambani, when he completed his PUC, so afterwards he went to Africa to work in a petrol diesel wells as a clerk. He went to Africa to work as a clerk in one of the small company. So he came back 1958. He came back with a 50,000 amount, 50,000 rupees. When he came back with the 50,000 rupees, he did not waste. With that amount, he established a small textile industry. Textile. When he established textile, day by day it is improved and got a more benefit, income. Then that inspiration, he got it, and now variety of things established and they were selling. Nowadays you see infrastructure and you see marketing and textiles and petrochemicals and variety of things. He has done a great work in the field. Variety of fields is working and many things established. Even he became a richest country in the world also. The top 10 is also in the name. So next to Azim Premji. Azim Premji is also, the fellow is remembered all over India. The variety of Wipro companies established. So his also small story is there. When he was a small boy, when he was studying, he lost his father, but his father is also into Britannia. His father and his friends, they established a small company which was going on. So once his father died, so after that his friends told his friend, you take up your shares and you go off, we'll run the company. So that insult made his friend to establish a Wipro companies. So afterwards, when he took back his shares and come back home and he thought himself, and that situation, his mind made very strong and established a Wipro. Now Wipro companies that all over the India they established, lakhs of the people are working and more turnover the Wipro companies. Next, Ekta Kapoor. Ekta Kapoor is a woman. So India is a men-based society. So women are neglected, but there are women also. They are given they sacrifice their life. They sacrificed their work towards the nation. Among them, the two they are given here. One is a Ekta Kapoor. Ekta Kapoor is a Balaji Television. Today, variety of TV channels which you can see, but among them one is a Balaji Television is also very important. So, done a great work. Variety of channels in a variety of language.